So today I will be talking about why the minimum legal drinking age should not be lowered to 18. So with drinking comes a lot of responsibility and some consequences if you are under the age of 18 now as it's 21. Some of these are medical consequences, risks of sexual assault, and higher likelihood of getting into a car accident. So the medical consequences are it can damage the nerve tissue in the brain, which will affect the way we process things and things like that. And people who are under 21 don't have fully developed brains, and this can cause more damage. Some other consequences are slurred speech, irregular heart rate, and bronchitis, and some more serious results are blackouts, comas, and even death. More than 190,000 people under the age of 21 were sent to an emergency room for alcohol-associated injuries in 2008. Impaired decisions are also caused by drinking alcohol if your brain isn't fully developed. So you could be violent, have unsafe sexual activity, and you could get in a car with another intoxicated driver, which is just going to increase your likelihood of getting into a crash. And this is two pictures of the brain of someone who drinks, who did that under the age of 21, and the red is where they have less white matter, and that's bad. So indicators of school crime and safety. In 2010, they stated that during the 2007 and 2008 school year, there were 800 reported incidents of rape and attempted rape, and 38,000 reports of incidents of other sexual batteries at public high schools. So adding alcohol to this would just increase the amount of people this would happen to, and even the age that it would start happening to. So now it's just in high schools, but then it could go to middle schools, potentially. And according to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, in 2009, 10.4 million people ages 12 to 20 claimed to have consumed alcohol foregoing just a few sips in the past month. So the younger kids might not know how to protect themselves from sexual assault. And over 70,000 students ages ranging from 18 to 24 are targets for alcohol-related sexual assault or date rape. Also, this would widen the age range of this happening too. People ages 16 to 20 who are driving are 17 times more likely to die in a car crash when they have a blood alcohol content of 0.08%. So if that's what it is, through 16 to 20, and that's not even including when they're 21 or over, when they're legally allowed to have alcohol, so this would just make things a lot worse. And then an estimated total of 2,000 underage drinkers pass away each year from driving a vehicle while intoxicated. Again, this would just add more numbers of people dying by lowering the drinking age. Teenage drivers are already 3 times more likely to get into a fatal motor vehicle accident than more practiced drivers. So again, adding alcohol, more people dying or getting into accidents. Other consequences of underage drinking and driving are arrests and DUIs, and also getting their car impounded, fines, and having to attend alcohol and driver's education classes. And a DUI could really mess up someone's life just because it goes on their permanent record if they're over 18 or 18. So colleges, jobs, financial aid, and insurance won't want to support someone who has gone into this kind of mess before, just because they're more likely to do it further in life. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and that is why the minimum legalized drinking age should be 21 and not be lowered to 18.